Hey there, business enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something exciting: upgrading to Odoo 17. Whether you're an Odoo veteran or a newbie, this video is packed with tips and tricks to ensure a smooth transition. So, let's get started. Why upgrade to Odoo 17? First things first, why should you upgrade to Odoo 17? Let me break it down for you. Revamped user experience. Odoo 17 offers a sleek, modern interface that's more user-friendly than ever. The new design makes navigation a breeze, boosting productivity and smoothing your daily tasks. Optimized performance. It's not just about looks. Odoo 17 is faster and more responsive. For businesses handling large amounts of data, this means fewer slowdowns and more efficient operations. New modules and features. From advanced inventory control to enhanced e-commerce tools, Odoo 17 is packed with new features that can help your business grow and adapt to new opportunities. Mobile optimization. Odoo 17 is optimized for mobile use in today's mobile-first world, allowing you to manage your business from anywhere. Stay connected and make informed decisions quickly, whether you're at the office or on the go. The process of upgrading. Now, let's talk about how to upgrade. Here's a step-by-step guide to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Data safety first. Back up your data. Before starting the upgrade, ensure all your data is safely archived. This way, you can always revert if needed. Conduct a test run. Before going live, test Odoo 17 in a controlled environment that mimics your actual setup. This helps identify and fix potential issues without impacting your business operations. Dive into Odoo's official guidelines. Read the official documentation for Odoo 17. It's a goldmine of information about new features and detailed upgrade steps. Engage experts. If things get tricky, don't hesitate to seek help from Odoo professionals such as O2B Technologies. Their expertise can ensure a smooth transition with minimal disruptions. Best practices and considerations. To ensure everything goes off without a hitch, here are some best practices to follow. Test before using. Always try the new version in a test environment first. This way, you catch any issues before they affect your business. Talk to the right people. Consult with your team members who use Odoo regularly. Their insights can highlight potential challenges and help you address them proactively. Opt for our expertise. Consider partnering with seasoned Odoo specialists like O2B Technologies for the upgrade. Our team can provide expert guidance, ensuring a seamless transition and a hassle-free experience. Ready to elevate your business with Odoo 17? This upgrade is not just an update, it's a strategic leap towards optimizing your operations and boosting productivity. Partner with O2B Technologies, the premier Odoo specialists, to ensure a seamless and efficient transition. With our expert guidance and support, you'll unlock the full potential of Odoo 17 and drive your business to new heights. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.